And off with the main plate. And we'll just remove the train wheels, the hack and the barrel. Ah, the little post for the calendar wheel just popped out. Well, that must have been stuck in the train wheels then. I think I might have to make a new one of those. Okay, so finally I'll just remove the keyless work. Okay, now just take off this calendar plate, all the parts from the calendar plate here. That screw was quite nulled. That's the thing with these blued screws there. If you don't use the right screwdriver, and they're very, very easy to scratch and get damaged. Now these three wheels are for the calendar advancement, and I can see that the final wheel that's left there, it's got two pins that push around the calendar wheel, and those look bent to me. Yep, bent. Okay, just take out the mainspring, and this watch is stripped. Right, now I'll put it back together. And I've adjusted the lighting. You can actually see a little bit closer the staining I was mentioning earlier. And try as I might, I really could not remove those stains. I even put this watch through the cleaner 2 times. Doesn't seem to be sticky or anything, it's just the stains are there. Of course, once this is fully assembled, I'll know whether it's going to cause issues with timekeeping, etc. When I put it on the timing machine. But it is annoying, because it's other than that, it's a beautiful looking movement. So I've finished assembling the barrel, and now we'll put in the train wheels. Start with the escape wheel. Now we'll just put back the hack. Now we can screw on the main plate. And back on with the crown wheel. With these close-up shots, you can really see that staining. It absolutely will not come off. Of course, I suppose if I spent a lot of time on it polishing them, but I'm just lubricating the train wheel pivots. Let's back on with the ratchet wheel. Here's the spring for the operating lever. There's the main cam for the chronograph. Just applying a bit of grease, I'll put that back. And the spring. Just replacing the operating lever. Now we're back on the dial side and just lubricate the train wheel pivots here. The winder pinion, the clutch wheel. Or just use our temporary stem. It's a lot easier than using the split stem, and that will just help to align everything whilst rebuilding the keyless work here. So, thank you for watching, and if you are new to my video content, then please consider subscribing. It's free, and you'll be informed when I publish new content. And you can also find me on Facebook and Twitter. Also, be sure to visit my website, www.watchrepairtalk.com. And here you're going to find even more content and find out how you can watch my premium watch repair videos. And finally, you can support these videos and be able to have exclusive access to my premium watch repair videos by becoming a patron. Details in the description below.